Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on the legalities of getting married. And I'm going to run through the main things that you need to know that's going to happen on your wedding day. Before we get started, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and think about subscribing. I post videos on weddings, wedding planning and tarot readings related to weddings. My social media will be in the description, and you can find me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. So let's get started running through the legalities of getting married. As mentioned in a previous video, you can get married via a religious ceremony or a civil ceremony. In both cases, the following legal requirements are to be met. The marriage must be conducted by a person or in the presence of a person authorised to register marriages in the district. The marriage must be entered in the marriage register and signed by both parties, 2 witnesses, the person who conducted the ceremony, and if that person is not authorised to register marriages, the person who is registering the marriage. Civil ceremonies. On the government website www.gov.uk, it states, you must decide where to have your marriage or civil partnership ceremony before giving notice. To give notice, you'll sign a legal statement at your local registry office saying you intend to get married or form a civil partnership. This must include details of the final venue for your ceremony. You must hold your ceremony within 12 months of giving notice. Again, your local registry office will have all the information you need, and you'll be able to find details on your local council website. In England and Wales, you must give a minimum of 28 days notice before getting married. Both partners must be resident in the UK at least 7 days before giving notice. There will be a fee for giving notice. During a civil ceremony, each partner is required to repeat a standard set of promises which cannot be changed but may be added to as long as the additions are not religious. You need to say the declaratory words, I do solemnly declare that I know not of any lawful impediment why I, insert name, may not be joined in matrimony to, insert name. You also need to say the contracting words, which are legal words that marry you, and these feature towards the end of the ceremony. I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, insert name, do take thee, insert name, to be my lawful wedded wife or husband. Additional words can be added before or after the contracting words to complete the wedding vows. During a civil partnership, there are no legal words that need to be said. However, most ceremonies include the following paragraph. I declare that I know not of any legal reason why we may not register as partners in law. I understand that on signing this document we will be forming a civil partnership with each other. Exchanging rings are not a legal requirement. After the ceremony, the marriage register is signed by both partners, the registrar and 2 witnesses. Witnesses don't have to be a certain age, but you may want to check with the person marrying you if they have an age restriction on who can sign. Witnesses must understand the language of the ceremony and also be able to comprehend what has just happened. Registry office staff are not allowed to act as witnesses. Marriages in the Church of England and the Church of Wales. Instead of going to the superintendent registrar before the ceremony, banns, a notice of the proposed marriage, can be read in the parish church of each of the partners and in the church where it has been agreed the marriage can take place. Banns must be read on 3 Sundays before the ceremony. In England, in some cases, the vicar may advise that you need to apply to the Church of England for a licence instead of using the banns procedure. You can find out more about getting married in the Church of England on the Church of England website at www.yourchurchwedding.org. Visit the citizensadvice.org.uk website for more information on the different religious ceremony requirements. So I hope this little video has helped you understand the legalities of getting married, and the differences between civil ceremonies, civil partnerships and religious ceremonies. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye for now. Just to add, my book, Planning a Wedding, The Wedding Planner Way, will be out soon. If you want to be the first to know when it comes out, check out the description for details of how to be notified. Bye for now.